hives usually start to rot from the joining part on the corner. Humidity goes in the wood and eventually the hive gets rotten, have damage like this. So what I came about is how to protect the joint. I was thinking a lot and I came up with an idea. Basically my father came with that idea, but I make it even better. So we will use this, it's an aluminium stripe, corner stripe. It's 4 centimeters to 4 centimeters, and we will attach it on the corner. Before we attach it, I'm gonna put a little silicone So, we put the silicone inside in 3 places, in the corner and the sides. We stick this on the corner. And then we use 2 centimeters screws. This will just give a little more resilience on the hive, because it protects the part that it caused infected in the first place. So when you're done, you will have something like this. 4 corners with stripes. Thank you for watching.